This week is all about enjoying life while I'm maintaining my weight on my Zepbound journey, as well as still saving for my medical sinking fund. Today is just about enjoying life, getting out, getting some sun. This week has actually been a good week. I enjoyed actually this week. So on this Zepbound journey, life is always lifing, but you have to accept what comes your way when it comes your way. And so that's what I've been going through for the past few weeks. It's just accepting what's been going on in my life. As far as eating this week, I actually did pretty good with my meal, working on my digestive system. And so what I did this week was just make sure that I ate foods that was not so heavy on my stomach, so that way I could easily process it. Even with doing all of that this week, let's check out this scale, my weigh-in. So yeah, so as you see, I did gain weight this week, but that's typical. Being on a health journey, especially if you're taking Zepbound or any GLP-1, your weight is going to fluctuate. And so I'm not concerned about that. For me, my mindset is basically trying to change how I've been feeling. And what I've been doing for the past basically year or so, not enjoying getting out to enjoy life. For some reason, it's still in my head that I'm not able to walk or stand more than 5 minutes, which is crazy because I've been doing it this whole time and sharing that on my platform with you guys. So it's just so weird I have that mindset. So that is what I'm working on. I hope everyone is having a good journey, good day, good week. So as you continue on your journey, just know that it's going to be a roller coaster. You're going to have your ups, your downs, side to side, round and round, but it's what you make out of it. So I'm just changing my mindset right now. Definitely. I changed my mindset on my eating, making sure that I'm not taking a lot of carbs, which is crazy. I did one change, but didn't do the other change. And that change was, I didn't change my mindset. I am no longer that person who cannot stand or walk for more than 5 minutes. I have evolved, and I have to put that in my mind. So if you are still here with me and you are on a health journey, financial journey, any type of journey, please consider going ahead and clicking that subscribe button. Yeah, and joining this family, this channel over here. This is a community. My goal is to try to get to that 1,000. Yes. So it is hot out here. I think it's like 90 something degrees. Yeah, got on my sunscreen. I'm trying out this Black Girl Magic product, SP30, hoping that that holds up because don't need any more issues. So yeah, so as you see, I did gain weight this week, but that's it. That's the journey. So today is shot day. I'm taking my shot a little bit later, but as you can see, as of June the 12th, I have at least 0.2 milligrams of the 2.5 in my system. And so I am going to document that I am taking the shot. Today is June 12th, ain't it? June 12th. And then I actually do my lower right, and then let's save this, and it's showing that I took my shot today at 5:10 of the 2.5. So yeah, cash stuffing this week. So at the end of the day, it's been a good week for the grocery haul, so I don't have to do any cash stuffing for that, but I will be cash stuffing for my medical. So for this upcoming week, I will be cash stuffing $100, $200, $300.